Welcome everybody. This is Detox Your Body, Mind, and Home. I'm Anenberg Lawrence, and then we've got Tanna Marshall and Lisa Ystrom are my two beautiful guest experts. It's also about what do we need to get out. We have toxins and chemicals in our food, in our household products, and then also unhealthy, toxic people.
It's time to detox the old story, in addition to detoxing any negative beliefs and being able to have this tool to detox any of those negative emotions as they come up so that you get better and better at it.
In feng shui, we say that what is closest to us has the greatest impact, and where we're spending the most time has the greatest impact. There really isn't much closer than what both Tanna and Jill have just been talking about. The foods you're putting in your body, the thoughts that you're thinking, and you wouldn't want to be working on those aspects of your life and then not get your physical environment to support it.
Read your ingredient list. I always joke, like, I don't care about labels on your clothes. I don't care who you're wearing, but I care what you're eating. I care about the labels that are on your boxes, your packages, like your healthy protein powders that you think might be healthy. Always read the labels because it's super important to know what you're putting into your body and how that's going to affect you.
So I'm going to talk about detoxing your mind. So how do we do that? Usually the stuff that's in our mind causing the toxins, it's emotions like anger and rage and fear and loss. So how do we deal with these? I'm going to teach you a process to help you manage these emotions when they come up. I just want to remind you how powerful you are. Your energy, your words, they all stem from your feelings. So it will serve you well to have this information to use anytime you need a mental or emotional detox.
What are you cleaning your house with? I mean, like, this is your sanctuary. It's where you live. It's what you're breathing, what our animals are breathing. If you have kids, toddlers crawling around on the floor, they're breathing in what you just cleaned the floor with. There's so many conventional products out there that have carcinogens in them and that are bad for our respiratory system, live in our fat cells. There's a lot of stuff that we want to stay away from.
Today's theme being detoxing. What are some things we can detox from our space? The first thing I'm going to say is clutter, because it is stagnant energy. It is holding us back. We say in feng shui, what's going on in your home is going on in your life, and vice versa. I'm not a medical doctor, but there are many ailments that can stem from people's environments, and clutter, it can contribute to gaining weight or holding on to weight, fatigue, anxiety, stress from the mental point of view, lack of clarity, can't make a decision.
Forgiveness is for you. It's not condoning anyone else's behavior. It's so you can have peace. I also want to remind you of that quote, resentment is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. So remember that.
What is in your control? This is what you put on your fork, or if you like to eat with your hands, what you put on your fingers. There's lots of detoxifying foods that rev our metabolisms, that keep our gut healthy. Our gut is very sensitive. It's also our second brain. 80% of our immune system and our mood occurs in our gut. So much stuff is filtered through there. So the healthier that we keep our gut and feed it good stuff, the happier we are and the healthier that we are, because so much of our immune system is based out of that. What to stay away from? He's licking himself. Simon. I mean, if we all could do it, we would too. But he's on camera, so he needs to be a gentleman for all of you. Okay.